Hello and welcome to another update video on Ethereum. So we're back in support. I mean, since the last update, really not too much happened. We either make it from here or we'll likely get that one more low in a broader extended wave 4, which could take the price to $3,374. As I've said many times, the movements to the upside from the October low, they are all corrective in nature. 3 waves up, yeah, and the move down as well. And this year, while I treat that as a 5-wave move, it's important to understand it is choppy, overlapping, messy mess. And yeah, I can treat this as 5 waves up with a flat correction here. So therefore, I'm looking for higher prices, but below 3,751, things might change a bit and we might go down for another low. What, in our membership area on Discord, I was asked about Link, and obviously this is an Ethereum video, but the same potential exists for several charts. Like a potential triangle could be unfolding, right? I just want to explain the concept. Bitcoin could do the same, right? So if we break support, one more low is likely going to follow, right? The problem here with this chart is it's already such a complex correction. It's already such a complex correction. It's difficult to nail the exact micro count, but honestly, I could imagine something like a very complex WXYXZ correction or something. So we could say, hold on, let me see. We could see WX Y, right? And this Y wave is an ABC. X, and the X wave is the triangle Z. So we can get one more low. If this really is a triangle, which it can be, yeah, it's just that triangles very often fail. I've learned not to trust triangles, especially in this cycle. But if this really is a triangle and we get one more low, the advantage would be that a triangle is usually, well, it's not the last move of a corrective cycle. It's typically second to last. So there's typically just one more low to come. So I want to give the bulls the chance here and the benefit of the doubt. At least I'm tracking. But as I've said repeatedly over the last few days, the last week, this is all just choppy, sideways, messy price action. And with it's coming from a corrective base. It would be more convincing had we seen a 5-wave move up. But we've really only seen 3-wave corrective rallies from here. And okay, and a diagonal. But again, it failed yesterday again. It was also just a 3-wave move up, this B wave high. So therefore, I added a first resistance area. To watch. Not so meaningful, but a break above this zone would be a first indication that a low of sorts is in place and that we could be on our way higher into the upper target or resistance area. And the micro resistance area is between 3,904 and $4,038. I've added something similar to the Bitcoin chart today. So breaking above it would open the door to, well, finally that rally I wanted to see into the blue zone, possibly to test the 4,400 level. But there is nothing really that convinces me that a local low has formed. Really, really weak. No real action here. The cryptos remain in a very, very difficult position. Yeah, Ethereum as well. That internal micro 5-wave move up, even though it's questionable, is it's a glimmer of hope. But we need to hold support, upper support. If we break below it, it opens the door to 3,374 for an extended wave 4. So I'll keep watching here for reactions and for signs that a low is in. It's trying to form a low. I mean, at least it's trying. So I'll keep you updated. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, I invite you to join us on X for additional charts, updates, news, and much more. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.